watch it?
Oh yeah. Lala, don't go in there.
All right, so check it out, your boy Manny G, and recording fireworks. Hell yeah! And recording mad fireworks, jizzing himself. Like what the fuck? I'm thinking, what the hell?
These fireworks are so awesome. They're on sale.
Oh, that's so awesome! It so turns me on.
It still gets me high.
No, it turns me on.
Oh,
jizz! Oh, jizz! Oh no! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Ah! Oh jizz! Oh jizz! Yo, you queer! Move over! Damn, yos! You got all up in the video.
that was my seat.
Whoa.
Alright, so I'm thinking, what the hell? I'm thinking I'm sitting right here. Come over. No, I'm over. Alright, let's do this. Rock and roll. Let's do this. Let's rock and roll. Oh, God.
That sucks.
Blow my shoes up. That's it. That was so gay.
That sucks.
That was so gay. Oh, come
I want
on.
the fireworks that go up to the sky.
Exactly. Fucking gay. I want my money back.
I want my money.
Ah.
LOL, you. That good. That funny. Because the house would get burned.
I'll be LMFAOing, I'll be ruffling, I'll be limboing.
I'd save my computer. You suck.
Alright, let's do this. Let's rock and roll.
2 at a time. Oh wow. Nice. You suck. You know what you should do?
Now is that we burn a firework, but it's on fire, and I'm thinking we're gonna go call 911. You know why? Because we're gonna die.
Because we're stupid.
No, because we're gonna die.
Because we're dumb Mexicans.
And I'm thinking that shit is not gonna turn on.
You know what? I think the ground, it's burning the ground because you see the liquid.
It's probably just loading.
Or it's probably just burning the ground.
Or it's just loading, like a computer.
You know, what if it just kabooms?
That's what it does. That's what it does. It just drops fire.
It just drops fire. Okay, that's the most retarded firework ever. Take that.
Alright, so now what?
Yeah.
No, Big, don't go there, Big.
No. You're gonna get burned.
You're gonna blow up, Big.
I wanna try it.
I don't want to blow up yet.
You won't blow up yet.
don't have water, no le podemos echar agua. No.
Yo, Ellie, move, Ellie.
I'm fine.
No, se cayó.
Oh my gosh.
Se cayó.
No.
Se cayó.
It fell.
Apágalo.
O sea, ya está quemando el palo.
No,
No, but yeah, what happens if it just blow up? It blows up right here, like right directly at you guys.
No, that would not be funny.
Yes, it would be funny. I would start laughing.
No, because I'd lose Elena
And Artie,
and my brother,
and I'd be limboing.
and I'd be like, no, wow.
Alright, this is boring. I'm turning this off.
No. You
There's
gotta
no fire.
Wait, you gotta wait.
There's no fire.
You gotta wait.
This is boring.
You gotta wait.
This is boring. Alright, you know what? Fuck it. We out. Oh, what happened? So, Biggie right now? Oh, doing
Biggie's
some.
crazy.
Oh, come on.
Oh.
Big, do another one, Big. Big, do another one.
I thought it went up in the air.
Yeah, me too. Oh, take Biggie.
You almost lit me on fire, yo.
Yeah, yo, you wildin'. Yo, do another one. Do another one, yo. That shit was awesome. Go on Facebook.
Oh, really? Really? I don't want it to go on Facebook.
Hurry up, Big.
Bigger. Hurry. Valeria, no, you're gonna die.
Oh, I should have told me, yo. It failed.